what's up guys? It's Jacob and today we got some ingredients for recipe. And today we're making cauliflower macaroni and cheese. So guys, when we cut the cauliflower, we will put it in the bowl and wash it. I found it's easy with the butter knife. I'm cutting it from this. So when we twist it, we will cut it into pieces. When we do this, have your parent boil some water. Now we're gonna add slowly and put cauliflower in the steam. Boom! That's how you do it. Don't forget to cover it. Don't need butter and milk, so we use these. You guys can do Kraft macaroni and cheese, but we're gonna do shells and cheese. Add noodles to boiling water. Boil it slowly. This is how you get that, guys. So guys, when we mix this, we will mixing.
Don't forget to recycle your boxes.
Have your mom drain the cauliflower and mac and cheese. This. Now time to add the cheesy goodness. Now time to add another cheesy goodness. Now mix, mix, mix. It's time to stir it up. Stir it up, stir it up, stir it up. Mix, 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 mix. Now add the cauliflower and mac and cheese. Wow. I think it looks great, that I say. Mmm. It looks yummy and gonna be delicious and divine. Divine. Tasty. Sweet. Mix it all together. Mix, 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 mix. Mixy, mixy. Mix, mix, mix. Step 10. Serve and eat. I like cauliflower mac and cheese. Okay guys, click the recipe and give it a like button and give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye!